Hello everyone! For today's 8th daily design challenge, we are going to be doing a 10-minute poster challenge. Originally it was supposed to be 15, but kind of messed up with the clock and stuff, so it ended up being a 10-minute challenge. If you're up for the challenge, you can try to make a poster in 10 minutes. If not, you could try 15 or 20, whatever you're up to for today's mood. Also, the theme for this poster was Mind Platter or Mind Garden. I just thought it was an interesting concept and something cool to come up with something regarding those themes. So if you want, you can try the same theme, or you can come up with your own theme and see what you come up with in this limited amount of time. Now the technique I'm using here is with the mixer brushes. Essentially I'm plucking the sample area of the flowers image and using that to create this cool kind of, I guess you could say, swatch. And if you want to know how to do that, you can check out my mixer brush video, and I'll link that below for you guys if you're interested. Now for this poster, essentially what I did is I used the mixer brush like I said before, and I played around with the curves tool and the color balance and hue and saturation to get this really cool, vibrant, crazy look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day!